AcuPro2 is the leading innovation in acupuncture procedures. The AcuPro2 is very easy to use with its creative and innovative technology. Developed by NeoDoctor Incorporated, AcuPro2 is a continuous acupuncture needle device which helps insert needles into the skin continuously during an acupuncture procedure. It's ergonomically designed to use with one hand. AcuPro2 is composed of an insertion device and a cartridge along with a moving button. There is also a push-lock switch which serves as the safety switch. The cartridges, which are disposable, contain 20 or 45 needles and are divided by the thickness and length of the needle. The guide controls the depth of insertion of the needle, and each needle in the cartridge is only intended for one-time use. First, carefully open the sterilized pack of needle cartridges and remove the guide stopper. Align the needles, which may have scattered while moving, and then carefully insert the needles into the body. You have to remove the guide stopper and then shake the cartridge as much as possible to align the needles prior to use. The guide can be adjusted up to 4 steps, from the outer part until 1 to 3 millimeters, 3 to 5 millimeters, 5 to 7 millimeters, and 7 to 9 millimeters. Place the AcuPro2 guide on the procedure area and then press the button until you hear a click. Maintain the direction of the AcuPro2 and then lift it up to the direction of the needle, which is inserted into the body. Hold the cartridge in the body and then continue with the remainder of the procedure. The AcuPro2 has a fast speed when inserting needles in order to minimize the pain which might be felt by the patient. Since the needles are concealed and not exposed to the outside, it helps the patients overcome their fear of needles. Before using the remaining needles in the cartridge for another patient, please make sure to replace the sterilized AcuPro2 guide. If the needle is twisted or stuck after bending in the cartridge, you could use the remaining needles after removing them by using the removal pin to eliminate the blockage. We are doing our best to keep acupuncture procedures convenient and safe. NeoDoctor Incorporated will be there every step of the way.